Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another one of the most iconic Mortal Kombat characters from the game, and that is Sub-Zero. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Sub-Zero, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to begin right here by making a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up and down. Next, we're going to start over here. We'll make a line that goes down, and then I'm going to go up and down. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to circle right up here for an eye, and I'll make another one over here for another eye. I want to add a little line underneath each eye just to make it look a little bit more kind of evil and a little more detail. Right here, we're going to make a little diamond shape, kind of right above the middle point of where his eyes are. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and down, and we'll make a little line that goes over and down right over here. Next, we'll make two lines that come down. And I'm going to bring these out just a little farther. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. And I'm going to make them come straight down like this. And we're going to make a line that goes right across to connect them. I'll make a little line that's going to come here, and another one right over here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then in. We'll do the same thing here, out and in. And I'm going to bring these in a little farther. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down and over. And I'm going to make it go down and over. Kind of looks like the Predator mask a little bit right now. Starting here, we'll add a couple little lines for some details. And right in here, I'm going to just kind of redraw the same shape that's in here. Next, I'm going to make a couple little skinny rectangle shapes on each side, just for some detail on the mask. I'm also going to come in here and just add a couple more little lines by the eyes. Right here, I'm going to add a little black oval on each side with a little line that's going to curve off. Now, starting here, I'm going to just make a little line that's going to come up and a little line that's going to come up here. Next, I'm going to bring it up on each side. And I'm just going to connect them. Then I'm going to bring two little lines coming down. Actually, we'll go all the way to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make two little lines right here for the neck. And then two lines right over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up. And right over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out on each side. And I'm going to bring both these down to here. And I'll make a little line that's going to come down to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then down. Make two little lines that come down, and then we'll go down and then up like a V shape. We're going to make a little line that comes out on each side, and we'll do the same thing at the bottom here, and then just connect it. Next I'll make a line that goes up and in, and we'll go up and in. Now, starting down here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and up like this. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down and up. We'll do the same thing here, out, and then down and up. I'm going to start here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and over, and then I'm going to bring this one down, curve it around, and then up. Then right here I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, it's going to curve over, and it's going to curve around like this. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to bring it down. And then this one, I'm going to bring it down farther. We're going to curve it around and then come up. I want to make this foot kind of go down, and that's going to come up. And it's going to come up to here and over. The little line down. Next, we're going to bring this up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and another one that's going to come out here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out here, and then one to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over, and then another one's going to go out and over. And I'm actually going to make this one a little bit bigger. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down, and then around for a thumb. And then I'll do the same thing here, we're going to go up. We're going to go down and then come back for a thumb. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curl around and that's going to come up. Another one that goes down and that's going to come up. And then one more, it goes down and then it comes up. We're just going to do 4 fingers. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come around. One here, it's going to go down and then back. And then one more right here, and then we're going to connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw 2 little lines here, and then 2 little lines up here. And I'm just going to add a couple little lines right here on them. And then I want to kind of make like the little bit of like ice on his hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make just this kind of like wavy line right around here on each side. Just kind of show that his powers are starting up. And here's our basic shape of Sub-Zero. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. Now, starting up here, I'm just going to make some lines that are going to come across. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to redraw this shape right inside of his belt. I'm going to add the same shape inside of here for his little shin guards. I'm going to put a couple little lines right on his shoes. I'm going to draw some extra little lines up here. I'm going to make a little line right over here for his neck. Going to add a couple little kind of wrinkle lines in here for his fingers. And then I'm just going to add another little couple lines up here by his eyes. And then we're going to put a couple little quick lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.